Good morning, guys. We're going to go over the matrix and matrices in the packet that they gave you. They did not explain how to work the AIJs, which is super easy. It's kind of hard to see. I'm in my attic, so I really don't have anywhere to put my phone. So I'm just going to bring it up to the board so you guys can see it, and I'll put it back there while I write. Okay? So we're going to make this work. Okay, first off, if they ask for a dimension, order, or name of a matrix, this is your matrix, okay? Anything in the bracket. These are your rows. These are your columns. The way you label that is how many rows you have by, this is not multiplication, by how many columns. So on this one we have 3 rows. So that's a 3 by, there's 3 columns, a 3 by 3. Okay? This one here is a 3 by 3. This one here is a 1 by 2. This is a 4 by 1. Okay? Alright. So, number of rows by number of columns. So that will answer when it asks for dimensions on 1, 2, and 3 on your worksheet. Okay, and you also see where it is asking for A23 and A12. Alright, what they did not go over on the packet is this marker doesn't work. Alright, let's show this. This A23 and A12. I know y'all have been to the rest stops and the vending machines where you push like A13 and get your hot Cheetos. That's all you're doing, okay? A is the name of the matrix, okay? This is the matrix you're looking at, matrix A. 2 is your row. So we're going to go down to the second row. 3 is your column. Go over to the third column. The number there is 1. That's it. That's all you're doing. So, matrix A, row 1, column 2. Alright? So on B, it says B1, 2, and B11. Same thing. You're going to go to your first row and second column and tell me what that number is. This one, you're going to go to your first row, your first column. Tell me what that number is. But when you get to number 3, it says A, 2, 3. There is no third column. Your packet does not go over that. So just put NA. Same for, there's row 1, but there's no second column. So we're going to put NA. Okay? Because we can only work with what they gave us. And I've never seen that in my life. Alright, moving on. We're going to the second half of the worksheet. Alright. So, I'm going to put you back over here so I can erase my board and get it ready for that. So, bear with me here. 1, 2, 0. B. Okay. Sorry if I make some of you guys motion sick. So we have matrix A, B, C, and D. And number 4 says we're doing matrix D minus matrix C. All right. So D is, why do I keep grabbing it? Is that the, I'll get my life together eventually. Okay. So we have 5, 1, 0, and 2 minus 1, 2, negative 3, and 1. Crazy, crazy easy. Okay? With addition and subtraction. If your order, remember, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. If those do not match, you cannot add or subtract. That's it. Okay? So, since they do match, we have a 2 by 2 and a 2 by 2. You have 4 positions right here. 5 pairs with 1. This one pairs with 2. 0 pairs with negative 3. 2 pairs with 1. If you want to color code or do squiggle, squiggle, circle, circle, heart, triangle, whatever works for you so you don't mix these things up, okay? So, 5 minus 1, that answer goes in your squiggle, okay? 1 minus 2, let's see if I can get over there. Okay, we'll put that one in a circle. Alright, 0 minus a negative 3. Alright, and I'm going to write that out for you. 0 minus a negative, remember plus a positive? Okay. And then, let's see, we've got 2 minus 1. And we're going to put that right here. Okay. So, let me put this back over here so we can work on our next problem. Alright, on number 5, it says 2A plus 3B. Alright? Let's see if y'all can see me. Okay, that works. So we're going to take 2 and multiply it by everything in matrix A. Okay? So it's going to look like this. 2 times 3, 6, 1, 4, negative 2, 0. Alright, I'm going to come see how that looks because I don't want it to be too far away. Okay. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 gives you 8. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times a negative 2 is a negative 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 0, anything times 0 is 0. Alright. This is our new A. Okay? Now we're going to go to 3 times B. That was this one up here. So we're going to say 3 times, let me slide this over so it's closer to you guys. Let's see. Alright. 3 times negative 3, 2, negative 1, 1, negative 4, and 5. Okay? 3 times a negative 3 is going to give you a negative 9. 3 times 2 is going to give you 6. 3 times a negative 1 is going to give you a negative 3. Whew. 3 times 1 is going to give you 3. 3 times a negative 4 is going to give you a negative 12. And 3 times 5 is going to give you 15. So we did 2 times A, got our new A, plus 3 times B, got our new B. Same thing. This is a 3 by 2. This is a 3 by 2. That means we can continue and add on. Okay? So, same thing. 6 plus a negative 9. You're in debt $9. Somebody gives you $3, so you're only in debt $3. Okay? You always take the sign of the bigger number. Alright? Let's do 8 plus 3. 12. Let's make him in a square. Plus 6. It's going to give you 18. Negative 4. Plus a negative 12 puts you more in debt, okay? So you owe somebody $12. Now you owe somebody $4. So now you're in debt to whoever. $16. Okay? So we'll heart them. Because they lent us some money. Alright, triangle. 2 plus a negative 3. It's going to give you a negative 1. And we'll do a trapezoid for this one. Okay? 0 plus 15, you still have 15. Are you with me? That is the answer. Okay? So, let me erase this and see what we have for number 6. Alrighty. Y'all have this one. I believe in you. Number 6 says negative 2 times A. So you're going to say now I'm going to let y'all do this one on your own, okay? Negative 2 times 3. Negative 2 times 4. Negative 2 times 6. Negative 2 times negative 2. Remember, two negatives make a positive. All these will be negative. Negative 2 times 1, also negative. And anything times 0 is 0. So I believe y'all have that one, okay? That was number 6. You're just multiplying. All right, number 7. C minus A. Two by 2 and 3 by 2. Not happening. You're done. Alright. With that page. Alright, y'all should be able to handle 8 and 9 as well, because we just did ones very similar to that. Let me see what we're working with down here. Alright, we're going to work on 10 and 11 together. Those examples might be in your packet. I thought I saw them. But they also, I think, use graphing calculators. Let's see what we got. From what I saw in the packet, they're taking them out of the brackets. So you're going to have 3x equals 9 plus x, and y plus 5 equals 2y. Find x and y. Alright, so we took those out of the brackets. On number 11, take those out of the brackets. Alright, so you'll have x plus 3x equals 16, and 7 plus a negative y equals 12. We're taking those out of the brackets. Same for number 12. If y'all have issues with these, I believe that your packet references the graphing calculator, because you can do matrix on it. So you should be able to Google matrix calculator, graphing calculator using matrix, which will help you with these. I do not have one of those, but the packet does work you down step by step with that. So if you have any questions, they're not making you guys multiply, which I'm really sad because I enjoy that because I'm a nerd. But yeah, alright, if you have any questions on matrix, we've gone through majority of the worksheet together. There's a couple y'all got to do on your own. I know. Awful. Text me, email me, Facebook me, whatever you got to do to get this work done. Send me the pictures so I can put your grades in. And I miss all your little faces.